Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain to you how to export data from HubSpot to Excel. So basically what you're going to have to do is simply go to your content that you want to export. So it can be website pages or landing pages, and then what you're going to have to do is simply click on actions, and then here you're gonna have to simply click on export here, and basically that's all you have to do. Now if you want to export a blog posts, do the same thing. So you're gonna have to go to your blog post and then simply click on actions and then simply click on export the blog post. Now if you have data, as you can see, traffic analytics from pages, as you can see, page views, you're gonna have to simply go to pages, and you're gonna see here the export button. So simply click on that, and basically that's all you have to do for each one of the data from your HubSpot account. So you're gonna have just to go to their to the dashboard of that tool and data, and then simply click on the export button. It should be right above it. So basically that's all you have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.